You look handsome. You're looking handsome though.
You look beautiful. Can we get a 360? So beautiful.
Thank you so much. Yes, you're being so sweet. You make me want to kiss you.
Right here in front of the people. I wait now.
Hi, Boganti. Are you about it or not?
This is a family show, please.
Okay. Let's not get carried away. Okay, this is my man, y'all. Okay.
Hi guys, hi, it seems like abantu ababanga happy bandla ngokuthi uLTdo beno Anele they kissed. Anyway, this one said this was low-key embarrassing. Eish. Uthi in front of Tyler. Hayibo. Kanti uTyler uNkulunkulu yini bakwethu. Hey kahleni. The way they want to trend vele nje lento bayenze ngamasimomu bayiplanile nje obvious ukuthi nje bayiplanile lapho nje I was watching wona ama awards izolo hayibo sebecabuzana. I was like how guys really no, like seriously guys, they didn't have to let's be honest. Kodwa ke I love them, they look so cute together. And Shembandla hayi bebegqoke kahle. Hayi bebegqoke kahle. They must never break up because we will remind them, yes. Ooh, and internet guys ayikhohlwa. Hayi ke asazi ngoba guys, unfortunately nowadays nothing lasts forever. So hey, mekwenzakala kuyenzakala, bazoyenza njani? Siyobakhumbuza and then what? Hey. As for this is my man, y'all. Hayi bo Anele siyazi siyazi asikho isidingo sokuthi usitshele, siyazi wonke umuntu uyazi. Hawu sabona njenge Deep in July ukuthi umuntu wakho lo, we know. Hayi ugelu in love Shem, I'm happy for her. Saze sanyelwa awubo ane Saze sanyelwa awubo Anele sisaphila. Guys, ngihlekisa nalelo khuzana ke nalengane le ayinhlise. Yo ay shame. Ay iyangiqeda mina le emoji, iyangiqeda. Ibizwa ngani lezi zinto ngama emoji what? Ayangiqeda ulengane lukuso bayo. Hey. When you are in love kuhamba nengqondo. And yahamba. Nami yake yangihambela, but that was a long time ago. Manje nah, it can never happen. Ayahamba ke guys. Makuthi ayikaze kuhambele wena, hayi isazokuhambela. Wonke umuntu nje uyadlula kuleso stage. It's part of life. This is a family show, please. There was absolutely no need. Nah, there wasn't. There was no need for real. They could have done a baby kiss. No need for all of that. True, hey? Like, being cute. Like, I wasn't like, oh, wow, this is so... Nah. I was annoyed, actually. I was like, what the F? Like, really? Nah, it wasn't cute. Oh, for awkward. Bro. I shame. My girl is in love. She can't even fight it. Yeah, shame. Saze savelelwa. Ay sivelelwa ngempela shame. Ayibo. Hayi. The keys were so unnecessary. Yeah, shame it was. I hope they get married because this will be embarrassing as hell. I think they will. I think they will get married because I was watching the other day. I was watching Ilo interview Anele Zondo Nolungelo, and she was talking about a relationship yakhe no LTdo. Bro, uthi they even pray together. Yabona ukuthi nje, you know. Yeah, Shembandla. I relationship yabo I cute. Engathi bangashada. Them trying to be Beyonce and Jay-Z, Lord. Kuzophela kabuhlungu sebeyaphapha. Yo. ngibuza ukuthi lento abayenzayo imelana nani. It's boring now. Yeah, it's not cute. This is so unprofessional. I love them, Mara. This is inappropriate. Shame. Yeah. Nam shame, I love them. Bahle. Oof. But Liakis, I ain't shame. Before I go, guys, can we talk about ukuthi aze abhora ama awards? Ngiwabukile from the beginning to the end. Nje into engasho ukuthi mina ibe highlights for me, ulokhuzana uyena uAnele Zondo no-LT Dom, and then masikuba i-performance ya Casper Nyovest. Makasana. Ooh! That song is fire. The performance was fire. And then masikuba ilezi ngane lezi dansayo Peanuts. Sengikhohlwa babizwa ngani CPS. Yes, that was beautiful. Masikuba Makhadzi ekugcineni. Woo! The rest nje bese kuthi angilale bebe ngibhora. Hawema. Oh, nale phathi ka Tyler ke nayo ke bekumnandi nangesikhathi secula ubalo guy lo ke ucula kamnandi. Yes, ngesikhathi kuveza labantu laba asabashona this year, him naye enjoyed him. The rest, yo guys, ubuthongo bebuthi buthi nama edi ke we yabona nje. But yeah, hayibo, another thing guys, ngicela ngibonile ukuthi beku empty kanjani, ama seats empty bemaningi kanjani laphana. Hayibo. Nanokuthi ngicela ukunitshela ukuthi ubani ukadazi ngalama awards, cause mina ngize ngezwa izolo ukuthi ngo-80 kudlala ama awards. Ngize kanjani? Ngize ngolo I was on TikTok and then uGogo Skhotheni ubeka live. So me live uGogo Skhotheni ngangezwa yena ethi hayibo ngo-80 kudlala ama awards, and I was like ama awards. And then that's when ngilangibone khona ukuthi hayibo ilanga zekhona ukuthi ngo-80 kudlala ama awards. Otherwise nje mina bengizokwenzela ezinye izinto, bengizoyibukela ezinye izinto nje. I had no idea ukuthi kudlala ama awards izolo. Like hayibo guys, into yayintombo kanje before. Nkosi yami. Kodwa ke shame angifuni qamanga ke uCasper as a host. I mean shame, according to me, my opinion, he nailed it. Beku first time yakhe and nje shame hayi wenze kahle nje. Angeke ngize ngimrate lo umunye ugengwa vele into zakhe lezi uNtswempu nje vele, but uCasper hayi shame mina I was entertained. I was nalama skits akhe kade washaya Ntswempu nje, I was entertained. Shame, I'll give him 8 out of 10. Ngizomnika u8 because okay. Now let's talk about ama outfit tag. Ama outfit tag ebeka right. The first one I didn't like it, and the last one la tegqoke khona isuit blue. I was like what the, the first one niki la kade tegqoke khona la kade tegqoke khona la kana kade enqunu shirtless efake ilokhuzana iblue kwalibeka la phansi kwezinqa. Ayikho enginyanyisa njengomfana ofake iblue alibeke la ezansi kwezinqa vele uthi angihayizi. Leo outfit nje was off for me. And then wagqoka kahle. Ukhona la egqokise khona kwebhinca wasoba nethawula la. Ayi wena engasangimuhle uCasper. And then nale esibili ngele ngidinayo la egqoke khona isuit khona iblue. Ayi lo ya blue nje mumbi shamfu qamanga nje. I was like what? But yeah, shame ama awards nje yabona mina nje I was not, I would give them 4 out of 10. Ngimbonile uzinqimali kodwa futhi manje angimbonanga ethole award, angimbonanga performer. Like ho nolokhuzana uFoka naye shame iperformance yakhe ngienjoyile. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah guys, ngathi sengikhuluma kakhulu manje. So yeah nje I just wanted to, ngama awards. But anyway, that's it for me guys. Please share your thoughts under the comments and I'll see you guys on my next one.